It's a typical rainy day, and I was doing what I do best. Netflixing. Da-dum. I was watching Final Table and I saw these eggs and I thought, I can make that. And he even told me what to do. It was 7 degrees Celsius for 24 minutes.
Hello, I'm the lightest, fluffiest, and cutest egg you'll ever have. Just passing through. Whee!
So we need 3 bowls here, a big bowl, a medium bowl, and a small bowl. We are going to separate the egg whites with the egg yolks. Proop, 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 proop. This is Gudetama here.
Daddy.
So I got a couple eggshells in there, and the easiest way to get the eggshells out is to wet your finger and then reach in to pick it out. You see how easy that was? Kevin's life hacks right there. Time to whisk the egg whites.
Why don't you use a machine?
Yeah, why the hell am I using this?
What the hell?
Till it just forms stiff peaks. Put your saran wrap in a small bowl and then spoon some of the whisked egg whites into there. When it's about halfway, carefully put in your yolk. Cover it with some more egg whites. We're going to take all the corners. I'm going to wrap it up and close it up now. Make sure there are no leakages, okay? Very important here. Just give it a little twirl. Then tie it up or close it with a bag clip. 1. Oh, I hope I don't break that egg yolk. I fell to the bottom. All right, back in. You go back. Go back there. I was pretty bad at estimating these, and they all ended up as different sizes. It's time to get these eggs in. We're going to start with this one. That thing floats like crazy. Wow, I can't even push it down. You can use this in a swimming pool, honestly. Like, this is a floaty. Sounds like a poop. Let's try some stuff. Can I use a bowl on top? Nope. Oh, I know what we should do. Use one of these. Pew. Nope. We'll use a bigger one and force it down. Nope. We're gonna go back to the smaller one. 2 in this one, 2 in that one. How the heck do they do it in that show? It's not really working either. I'm gonna try using my steam rack as a makeshift shelf for a heavier bowl. Nope. How about an even bigger bowl? Boop. Nope. I don't know what you're gonna do at home, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna thread it through this thing.
One of them already leaked.
3 eggs left. Every time we experiment with eggs, we have to eat them forever. No! We are down to 2 eggs. Zzz. Learn my lesson. Tying it to the weight first. Eggs tied to the weight, going in, and then water and Vitamix container. Here we go.
20 minutes later.
The egg is floating here. It doesn't have a clip on it anymore. Take 2 is a fail again. Okay, next set of eggs. Take 3. The last time I clipped the weight on the bottom and the eggs just floated off. What I've learned, I'm gonna put on the bottom side, this plate's gonna hold it down. It's not gonna hopefully float up and want to release. And I'm gonna again weigh it down with my Vitamix. 3rd time's the charm. And I'm gonna reuse this murky water because we're not wasting it. Okay, life boats in, Vitamix on top. Oh yeah. Okay, now we let it cook. 24 minutes.
12 seconds later.
Guess it needs more weight. It is time to take them out At least they stayed under this time, so that by itself is success. It's so fluffy! The egg whites are so airy, it just melts and bubbles in your mouth. Paired with the custardy, runny egg yolk, it's a match made in heaven. If you like this recipe, check out our super custardy tomato katsu sandal. You'll love it.
What are you doing here? Why don't you click on the next video?
Click it.